Welcome back to SpadeCardMagic. Today I'm going to show you a really easy beginner self-working card trick. So before I begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So we can start off here with 3 piles of 3 cards like so, and that's 3 piles of 3. And now I would instruct the spectator to select one of these 3 piles, and let's say they select this pile right here. And now I would just mess up the pile, like shuffle it up real quick, and just give it a good mix. And now I would tell them to look at the bottom card here, so that would be their card. And now I would tell them to put it on any one of the piles. So let's say they put it right here, then I would tell them to put this on top of the rest. And now once I go back, I would instruct them to spell out their card. So since their card was the 8 of clubs, I would tell them to spell out 8, so E-I-G-H-T, then put the cards on top, and then of, like so, then clubs, like so. And now, lastly, all we have to do is spell out magic, M-A-G-I-C, and that should end up on the 8 of clubs, like so. And I don't have duplicates at all. These are all different cards. Alright, this trick is very simple, and all you need for this are 3 piles of 3 cards, which is exactly what I have here. So, once you have this set up, you just instruct the spectator to select any one of these 3, and they have a completely free choice. So let's say they choose the middle pile right here. And now you would take this, and you can shuffle it up, then you would hand it to the spectator and have them further shuffle it up. And then once you hand it to them, you would tell them to look at the bottom card and memorize that. So that is the 8 of clubs. And then after they memorize this card, you would tell them to put on any one of the other 2. So this one or this one. They have a free choice on which. So let's say they select this one right here. And then you would tell them to pick up that and put it on the last one. And then that's it. And now you would tell them to spell out their card. Because their card was the 8 of clubs, you want them to spell out 8 of clubs. So first of all, that would look like the number, so 8, E-I-G-H-T, then put everything on top, then of, like that, then lastly, clubs, C-L-U-B-S, then put everything on top. And lastly, you just want to spell out magic, M-A-G-I-C, and that card that you end on will always be their card. And now, I don't really know how this effect works. It's just some self-working style because it has to do with the number of cards you have. And it's just a really cool effect. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SpadeCardMagic.